Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, in this question, we are being asked to find the value of x in terms of p. The question says, if 3 raised to power of root x minus p equals 4 raised to power of x minus p, find x in terms of p. All right, let's look at the solution. Okay. Now, this is the problem, right? 3 raised to power of root x minus p equals 4 raised to power of root x minus p. Okay, now what are we going to do? If you check properly, you will realize something that we have a common a common power on both sides, right? See, right? So root x minus p. Okay, now what are we going to do is that let's divide both sides by 4 raised to power of root x minus p. So this will now implies that you say 3 raised to power of root x minus p divided by 4 raised to power of root x minus p will be equal to 4 raised to power of root x here minus p all divided by 4 raised to power of what root x minus p. So that way, this will cancel out this, right? And that will be 1. And if you look at this side, since the power is what? Since both powers are equal, there's this rule that says that if you have a raised to power of x divided by b raised to power of x, you can write them as a b all raised to power of x. This is a particular index rule. It now implies that from there we will have 3 all over 4 all raised to power of what root x minus p to be equal to 1. And again, if you don't forget that if you have a raised to power of 0, it will be equals to 1, right? Provided e is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, what does this mean? It means that we can take any base raised to power of 0 and that will give us 1. And from this side, what is our base? Our base is 3 over 4. So we will now see 3 over 4 all raised to power of what? Root x minus p will be equal to 3 over 4 all raised to power of what? All raised to power of 0, right? So here we have the same base on both sides. And if that's the case, it means that our powers will be equal, right? So which means root x minus p will be equal to 0. And if root x minus p equals 0, it means that root x is equal to p, right? If you square both sides, you have it that uh, root x all squared, so that this square will cancel this square root and you have p squared on this side, right? Which means our x will be equal to p squared. So this is the final answer, right? So x in terms of p is x equal p squared. Thank you very much for watching.